Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is V of Crafted by V, and today we are going to be learning how to do the window pane stitch, and let's get right into it. So the window pane stitch is worked in the multiples of 9 plus 2. So what you are going to need is your yarn, your hook. I'm using a 5.5 mm hook. You can use any hook size of your choice. And I'm going to, for my beginning, for my foundation chain, I'm going to chain a chain of 20, which is multiples of 9 plus 2. So plus 9 plus 9 plus 2, making it 20. When I do 20 chains, I'll come back and we'll see how to start the stitch. So I have my 20 chains already, and for the first row we are going to do a mesh stitch. So starting from the first row, you count 4 chains from your crochet hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4. At this 4th chain, you pull a double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. At this 4th row, 4th chain, you pull a double crochet. Then you chain 1, skip 1 stitch, skip 1 chain. The next chain, you put a double crochet. Chain 1, the next chain stitch, you put, skip 1, next chain stitch, you put a double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, put a double crochet. So this is what we are going to do to the end of the chain, and at the end of it we are going to have 10 double crochets and 10 chain spaces. So 1 double crochet, chain 1, one double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, 1 double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, 1 double crochet, chain 1, and you skip 1, the final chain space here, we put a double crochet. As you can see, this is 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 double crochet and 10 chain spaces. Now for the second row, we are going to chain 4. The chain 4 acts as a double crochet, chain 1, 7 double crochet in the next 7 double crochet in the double crochet chain in the previous row, 1 double crochet in the chain 1 space, 1 double crochet on top of the double crochet till you have 7. Let's get right into it. So for our next row, you're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn your work. The chain 4, always remember the chain 4 is a double crochet, chain 1. Then in your next stitch, which is this double crochet stitch, you put a double crochet. Next chain 1 space, you put a double crochet. Next double crochet stitch, you put a double crochet. Next chain 1 space, you put a double crochet. Next double crochet stitch, you put a double crochet. And while doing this, please count that it's 7 double crochet altogether. So right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, remaining 2. In the next chain 1 space, a double crochet. The next double crochet space, you put a double crochet stitch, you put a double crochet. You chain 1. Skip this chain 1 space. On top of double crochet, put a double crochet. So the next double crochet stitch and the next chain 1 spaces, you put altogether 7 double crochet as you have previously done on this other side. So let's do it. Always make sure to count that it is 7 stitches altogether, so you don't miss anything. Now after this last double crochet stitch, you chain 1. In your chain 4 space, put your double crochet on the 3rd stitch. Put a double crochet, and that ends row 2. Now for row 3, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn your work. Now this one, you're going to put 3 double crochet in the next 3 double crochet stitches. 3 double crochet in the next 3 double crochet stitches. So 1, 2, and 3. Now you chain 1, skip 1, and in the next 3 double crochet stitches you put 3 double crochets. So 3. This space here, chain 1 space, you also put chain 1, skip it. Then the next you put 3 double crochets in the next 3 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1, skip 1. In the next 3 double crochet stitches you put 3 double crochet. So you put one double crochet in each in the next 3 stitches. Now for the last stitch, you chain 1 and you put your double crochet in the 3rd chain from your previous row. As you can see, it has created like a window here. That is why it's called the window pane stitch. So for our next row, we chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn our work. So all through here to this point, we're going to put double crochets, including the chain 1 space. We're going to put 2 double crochets till we get to this place where we chain 1 and we chain 1 and continue. That's how the pattern is throughout the row. That's how the pattern is for this first set. So let's get right into it. So 1, again we are doing 7 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 double crochet. So we chain 1, skip the chain 1 space here, go to the next double crochet, 7 double crochet in the next stitches, including the chain 1 space from the previous row. Chain 1, double crochet in the chain 3 space from the previous row. So as you can see, it has created this window effect. So to continue the row, the next row is going to be a mesh stitch, and for the mesh stitch again, you chain 4, which counts as a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, go into the next stitch with a double crochet, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, go to the next stitch, put a double crochet, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, into the next stitch, a double crochet, chain 1, skip the chain 1 space and do a double crochet in the next stitch, chain 1, skip the next stitch, do a double crochet, chain 1, chain 1, skip 1, next stitch, next stitch, a double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, double crochet, chain 1, and chain, put a double crochet in your chain space. Next, now we are going to do the full double crochet row. So for the next row, we are going to do 7 double crochets, chain 1 space, 7 double crochets till we get to the end, and I will meet you at this point. So I'm at the end of this row. I'm just going to chain 1 already, and do a double crochet in the chain first, in the chain, third chain from on the previous chain 4 space. For the next row, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is where we are going to do the window stitch. So double crochet in the next 3 double crochet spaces, chain 1, skip 1, 3 double crochet in the next 3 double crochet stitch. Chain 1, 3 double, skip this space, 3 double crochet in the next 3 double crochet stitch. 2, 3, chain 1, skip 1, 3 double crochet in the next 3 double crochet stitch. So I'll do that and I'll meet you when I'm at the end. So at the end, you're going to chain 1 and do a double crochet in the third chain from the previous chain 4 space. Now for the next row, you're going to do all solid double crochet. So chain 4, so chain 4, 7 double crochet, chain 1, 7 double crochet, double crochet. When I get here, I'll meet you here. So I'm at the end and I'm just gonna chain 1, double crochet here, and now to end this project, as you can see, we started with the mesh row. We started with the mesh row, and so we are going to end it with the mesh row. The mesh row is chain 4 from the beginning of your work, skip 1, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, double crochet in the next till we get here, and when we get here, I'll meet you. So I'm at the last stitch, so I'll just chain 1, do a double crochet, and to end it, you just chain 1, cut your yarn, and fasten off. And so this is the window pane stitch. As you can see, the effects of the window here, and that's why it's called the window pane stitch. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channels. There's going to be tutorial of different stitch and tutorials of different stitch every other week. Thank you. Bye.